You're a troublemaker, troublemaker.
Okay, I'm pretty sure you already know this, but welcome to my stupid YouTube channel. Anyway, over Christmas, I've been very, don't know how to describe it really. I've been very annoyed because I've recently discovered that there's a crack inside of my hub, the wheel hub that holds all the spokes. So this wheel is going in the trash whether I like it or not. But another thing that is annoying me, the reason how I managed to discover that anyway, Innertubes these days are rubbish. I'm making this video because I've been looking everywhere on the internet trying to find, basically I've been trying to find a, what you bloody call them, punchless, airless Innertubes. There is one website called Stop a Flat that does them. You cannot buy anything from this website. The website is useless. The website should not be there because they're not selling anything. It's not a manufacturer. It's not a place you can buy things from. It's not a bike shop. It's not a bike accessory shop. It's just a stupid website that's advertising something that's never been sold. I mean, I know that in America they sell them in alleged Walmarts. There are no Walmarts in the UK. Where can I get something that can replace these pile of rubbishes? There needs to be some kind of manufacturer in the UK that sells punchless Innertubes, not these rubbish things. I mean, one of my mates gave me one of these ones. You know, when I got a puncture the other day when I went off somewhere on a riding my bike or something, wherever I did. Anyway, I got a puncture, he gave me this one, but it exploded a few weeks later. These tyres, they're rubbish as well. There's an Innertube in here that's already got a flat, but I don't care about that. Anyway, I'm going to need to get... I need somebody to send me a link to an eBay ad or some kind of crappy Chinese website that will supply me airless Innertube, something that I can shove inside this tyre that I don't need to blow up with the bloody valve thing, so that I can ride my bike infinity endless. All I need is somebody to comment a link to a eBay ad, Amazon ad, website so that I can purchase it, or a shop that I can go to in the UK that sells bloody punchless ones. I mean, I have loads of bikes, loads of cycling things. This is a solid road tyre. It was advertised incorrectly. It literally... I'll try and find you the size. There. See that? 700 times 23. It was advertised as 26-inch. It's not. I've got two of the bastards as well. You see? Two of these. I need to either get a tubeless solid tyre for a BMX like this, 20-inch, or 26-inch one for my mountain bikes, obviously, but, you know, garbage. Poor advertisement, that is. Poor freaking advertisement. I need one like that, this size. Why are they selling these stupid, rubbish, blow-up tubes? Why cannot I buy just some one tubeless airless one? All I need is one that I can just stuff in here permanently. Why do they not sell them anymore? I mean, like, you know the company Bell? it sells lots of helmets and that these days, but Bell, they used to sell a tubeless tyre, or what was it called? Airless Innertube. Yeah, airless Innertube. They used to sell one. Why don't they sell it anymore? Why are they sold out? I mean, they're sold out. Why haven't they restocked? I don't know, if somebody came up with a company in the UK that sold airless Innertubes, I'd be buying it instantly. I'd be right there buying it. Why do they not sell it yet? Why are they not selling it? Can somebody please comment with some kind of explanation? I need to know. I'll even probably put some pictures at the end of the video of what I'm looking for. Why cannot I buy them in the UK? I mean, I could possibly go online and purchase something from the bloody United States, but it would take like a bloody year just to get here. Like, the shipping price costs more than the item itself. Why don't they sell something in this country, in this part of the world? But you can buy, apparently you can buy these super flat things, these yellow Innertubes that are punctureless. You can get them in South Africa. South Africa! I need them in the UK, not South Africa. Why don't they sell them here? If they start selling stopper flat Innertubes here, in this country, little kiddies will buy them. And they will make a fortune out of it. Spread this video to everyone. Everybody needs to know this. I mean, like, the axle bloody bent on my front wheel as well. I need explanations, and I need to know. Plus, rescue Zazaf, people, and yeah, help me. Help me, please, people. I just need an explanation. I want to be able to ride this forever. Yeah? I want to be able to ride my bike, my BMX, my mountain bikes forever. Anyway, I'm leaving the internet now. Bye, persons.